Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got, the way will differ a little bit. So if you've got the gestures set just like me, you have to swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, and the recents will appear. But if you've got the navigation buttons, then simply find the one with 3 bars icon and tap on it. So let me enter the recents. As I said, swipe your finger up and hold it in the middle, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. Of course, if you want to, you can close only one of it. Simply find it, so for example the Google Play Store, and swipe it up just like that. As you can see, it disappeared. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't want to waste your time, simply tap on close all. As you can see, we got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recently used apps, which means that we just successfully closed all of them. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.